At Cast Lighting, we believe in manufacturing simple, durable, and innovative tools that help people use lighting beautifully. The cornerstone of that commitment is using materials that can handle the harshest abuse that the outdoor environment can dish out. From UV rays of the sun, salts from the sea, the extremes of hot and cold, and the weight from ice and snowpack, it has been proven time and time again that there is only one material that has stood the test of time. And that material is natural sand cast bronze. Nothing ages and blends with the landscape better than natural bronze. Many people confuse yellow brass and bronze-painted aluminum fixtures with the real alloy bronze. Yellow brass is a far less durable material than actual bronze. Bronze is a mixture of metals made up of 88% copper, tin, lead, and zinc, and is the most durable metal for the outdoor environment. And because we mass-produce these fixtures, our pricing is more affordable than you might think. Cast Lighting is a complete vertical integrated company which ensures the highest quality product at the most affordable price possible. Here at our foundry in Barranquilla, Colombia, our product and mechanical designers use state-of-the-art CAD design software and three-dimensional prototyping to ensure the fit and finish of every product we design. Once the design has been approved, our pattern department gets to work producing custom patterns that fit our automated molding machinery. Since the melting temperature of bronze is 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely hot, the only way you can mold bronze is by sand casting. Once the sand is prepared by the muller and delivered to the two molders, one operating the top pattern and the other preparing the bottom pattern, can the bronze then be poured. The bronze is delivered to the factory by certified supplier to ensure the quality, where it is then melted using an induction furnace. The metal temperature is monitored to make sure the parts are poured at just the right temperature to avoid misruns. A conveyor belt provides time for the metal to cool down after pouring, before the part is then removed from the flask. The castings are then manually cut apart, then ground to remove any surface imperfections. Finally, a shot blast machine provides the delicate final touch to clean up the exterior surface of each part. Once the parts have undergone complete quality control and visual inspection, are they allowed to then pass to the machining department. At the machining department, each part is run on a piece of equipment specific to the needs of that part to ensure consistency day after day, year after year. Operators continually check each to ensure everything is in tolerance and of the highest quality. Once all the various parts have been made, it's off to the assembly line, where everything comes together and the final product is made. Every step in the process, particular attention is paid to ensure that every product leaves exactly as designed. All Cast Lighting products are tested and comply with UL 1838 standards for safety, and undergo additional FCC testing to ensure our products are of the highest quality available. The new world of integrated LED lighting has introduced an entirely different set of demands and sophistication, including complete cleanroom capabilities, circuitry potting, and electrical testing capabilities. Only after extensive supply chain and quality control procedures have been satisfied are any electrical components installed in any Cast Lighting product. All of our LED boards, drive circuits, and optics have been designed specifically to deliver the highest quality integrated LED fixture available that meets the needs of the lighting professional. Ensure a magnificent, glare-free lighting design for your customer year after year. Cast Lighting, old world craftsmanship, today's technology, transforming darkness into a wondrous human experience. See us on the web at cast-lighting.com.